to 12th video of this interview playlist. How do you copy a table from one SQL server instance to another SQL server instance? Here is a complete step-by-step answer to this important interview question. I made this video very simple, straight and to the point. Please don't forget to like this video and support me. Let's get started.
Across servers. What does it mean? Assume, for example, you have two different servers in your computer or in your data center. Your requirement, how to copy a table from one server for first server, first database, first table. You'd like to copy this to second. From first server, you would like to get the content to the second server. In the second server, assume I'll have a new database. For example, I'll say target database. Our requirement, how to copy data from first database, first server, first database, first table to second. Right click database, source, right click. There are different methods. Let me show you a simple method. Tasks, export data. We are exporting the data from one server to another. Next, give the data source. Data source will be SQL server, either OLEDB provider or native client, anyone. Currently connected server and database will be automatically available here. Next, destination. Here also SQL server. Give the server name. Destination server will be this one, that lab server in my case. Database will be the one that we created today, the target database, this one. Click on next. Copy data from one or more tables or views. Next. Then select whichever tables you wanted to copy from source server to destination server. The tables will be automatically created, data will be inserted. Run immediately and finish. So the process is almost same as the regular Excel or other file imports. Here we are exporting from one server to another. I'm exporting two tables. Let's verify. Go to target database, new query. Select from the table, customers data table. Or right click database, refresh. Just right click database, refresh, and we're able to see the tables. In order to practice this in your environment, install SQL Server 2 times. Just run the setup file once again. You get the second server. Give a different name to the server during installation. And using the same SSMS connect, you can connect to any number of servers. Here I'm connected to 2 servers. Remember connect option. You'll try to practice this. If you have any questions, I'm always there to guide you further.